Does your child love to sing, but you're not sure how to help them sing well or to cultivate that talent? Well, don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm a voice teacher and a mom, and I'm here to give you some fun tips that you can try today. Hi, I'm Miss Emily, and I am a piano and voice teacher, and I help you parents to help bring music into your kids' lives. Today, we are talking about preschool singing. So if you've ever been worried about your preschooler being able to sing, or you're worried about them maybe being pitchy, or like you really want to help cultivate that talent, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you some easy and playful warm-ups that you can try today, and it'll take no time at all, and I hope you have fun doing them together. Little ones learn best through play. Make it fun and exciting. Make your vocal warm-ups so fun. Use some puppets, some of their stuffed animals, whatever they have. Try some meows for high notes and woof, woof, woof for some low notes. By the way, we don't know if this is a cat or a rabbit. I'm actually starting to think that maybe it's a rabbit because of the tail in the back. What do you guys think? We're gonna say that he's a cat today. So with your cat, try some fun warm-ups with your kids. Try meow or Pikachu. High voice. Woof, 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 woof. You can even do a high voice with the dog. Arf, 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 arf. Woof, woof, arf, arf. Or with my G sharp, the giraffe. Long neck. These fun warm-ups with their stuffed animals helps them control their voice without even realizing it. Echo games are my favorite for pitch matching. Start with 3 notes and see if your kids can match you. So try If you know solfege, you can try it on solfege. So you can go mi, re, do, mi, re, do. Then you can try humming their favorite song so they can echo you. So try You can even try it with rhythm, so try repeating after me. Try ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. This one can be messy, so try this at your own discretion. Grab a straw and some water, and it's called straw humming. Take the straw and have your kids hum. Now, and I just spilled some on me. Straw singing is amazing for vocal control as well. Try it yourself and you'll see that sometimes humming high and low is actually a little bit difficult using the water, and it helps strengthen those vocal cords. My daughter is only 1 year old. She just turned 12 months old recently. And so we watch a lot of Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel uses movements in her songs. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Preschoolers are a little older than that, but they can still use movement a lot in songs. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Try marching to the beat. Ba, 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 ba. Any kind of movements helps a lot in vocal warm-ups and just improving their overall confidence and fun with singing. Kids can even feel the pitch changes better with their bodies moving. It's pretty cool. Try this exercise with me. Whisper, 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 whisper. Now, if you do that a whole bunch of times, you might notice that your voice is actually kind of hurting. Whispering is actually not really good for our voices. So try to encourage not too much whispering, but instead softly. So instead of whisper, whisper, try softly, 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 softly. So a lot of times if we're having to tell our kids, shh, be quiet, be sure don't go, be quiet. Try a soft voice, be quiet. Use a soft voice. That will help their vocal cords so much. My bonus tip for you is try a fun game like Name That Tune in the car, or if you're waiting in line for a doctor's appointment. Hum a little tune and see if they can guess it, and then switch roles. They have to hum it and you guess it. And let me tell you, sometimes when they're humming and I'm trying to guess, I often get it wrong. Remember, helping your child sing does not have to be fancy. Let it be fun. If you liked these tips, be sure to like this video and subscribe to me, Evie and Music with Emily Norris, and you can follow me on all of my social medias. Be sure to introduce yourself, and I can't wait to see you there. And let me know, what would you like to learn next? What are some things that you're interested in helping your kids learn with piano or singing? Let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.